Do you have difficulty with math? Worry no more, because I have a solution for you. Let's have math classes with Mamshi. See you in class! This time, our topic is about recognizing equations and characteristics of circles and parabolas. So our objective is, at the end of this discussion, the students will be able to recognize the equations and characteristics of circles and parabolas. So let's have first a review. The standard equation of a circle whose center is at the origin and radius r, where r is greater than 0, is given as x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And the standard equation of a circle whose center is at hk and radius r, where r is greater than 0, will be x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And also, the equation of a circle in general form is ax squared plus ay squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, or x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. Sometimes we can have here another values for our a. Sorry, this is not a but b. Okay? So ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. So, as you can see, the value of our a here is equal also to the value of our b. And for the parabola, the standard equation is x squared equals 4cy, or y squared equals 4cx. And the equation, if the vertex is not at the origin, we have x minus h quantity squared equals 4c times y minus k, or y minus k quantity squared equals 4c times x minus h. And same thing here, x minus h squared equals negative 4c times y minus k, or y minus k quantity squared equals negative 4c times x minus h. And for the equation of the parabola having this one, ax squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, where d is not equal to 0, so it opens upward or downward. And if we have by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, and c is not equal to 0, then it opens to the right or to the left. Take note that here we have only a here, and for the second equation we have only b. It means that we can never have a and b at the same time in the equation of the parabola. Okay, so let's have here an example. For circles, if it has the origin, we can have x squared plus y squared equals 3. Okay, so 3 is your r squared. So therefore, the radius here is square root of 3. Okay, we can also have x plus 3 quantity squared plus y squared equals 25. Okay, we can also have, we can also have this format, x squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 36. We can also have x plus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 25. That can be the examples of the equations of the circle. Or for general form, we can have 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 3y, that's plus 3x minus 4y plus 10 equals 0. This can be an example of the equation of the circle where your a and b are equal. And also for the examples of the parabola, we can have x squared equals 16y, x squared equals negative 4 times y plus 5. We can have also x plus 5 quantity squared equals 20 multiplied by y minus 10. We can also have y squared equals 4x y squared equals negative 4 times x minus 4. As long as the exponent of your other variable is 1 and the exponent of your other variable is 2, we can have that parabola. Okay, so we are done with quarter 1, week 5A. Let's continue with other topic. Recognizing equations and characteristics of ellipse and hyperbolas. So at the end of this discussion, the students will be able to recognize the equations and characteristics of ellipse and hyperbolas. So if you are going to go back with the equation of an ellipse, we have x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1, or this one, if the center is at the origin. And if the center is not at the origin, this will be the equation. Take note that we have plus here in the middle. Okay, that's plus sign to determine that it's ellipse. And also, your a and b must not be equal, but it must be greater than 0. For the hyperbola, notice that the equation is still the same as the ellipse, but then you have subtraction sign here, the minus sign here. And also, for the general equation, for the general form, your a and b have different signs. So let's have an example. For the ellipse, we can have x squared over 9 plus y squared over 12 equals 1. Okay, that can be the general form of your, the standard form of your equation. Or also, you can have 3x squared plus 4y squared, plus 4y squared minus 3x plus 5y minus 10 equals 0. That can be an example of the equation of the ellipse. And for the hyperbola, of course, you will have different signs for your x and y. Suppose we have 3x squared minus 4y squared plus 5x minus 6y plus 5 equals 0. Okay, so you can just make your own equation as long as your a and b are not equal and as long as they have different signs. That will be the equation for the hyperbola. Okay, so we are done with quarter 1, week 5B, and I hope you have learned a lot from me. For those who are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated of my latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from me.